Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to get a 3D map in your iPhone. Well, here I am using iPhone 11. So how to get that 3D version of your map? So let us straight away go to our maps. We'll see. So this is, if we open map, it will be somewhat this kind of window where your location is shown, and it will be somewhat in this kind of 2D version where there are roads, empty spaces, some water bodies shown in blue. All these things will be coming up. So here, to get a 3D version of your area, what you need to do is just click here and you will get this portion. And in this portion, you have to select satellite. Once you go for satellite, it will show like this. So here, as you can see, the buildings are shown in the satellite version. The top part, the roof part of the building is shown. The top part of the trees are shown. The water bodies are also shown, as you can see, in dark green color instead of water. The real color of the landscape is coming up. But you are still not getting the 3D version. It is a 2D version, that is the top version of the map. So what you need to do is, here you can see, I'll show you closely. Here you can see there is something called 3D. This is called 3D. Just press this 3D and then you can see the map tilts to a certain angle and you can expand it to see the real 3D version. As you can see, the real 3D version is being shown. A little bit isometric view of or the 3D view of the building. You can see the depth of the building also. You can probably see here in this map. So it is quite real and lively. If you can see, even the water bodies have like a little bit angle. You can see the land masses coming out of the water bodies. A little bit 3D type. You can see the boundaries here also coming up a little bit slightly. And as you can see, the trees are very much visible because they have a substantial height. So the 3D version is very much clear here for the trees. And of course the buildings, the high rises and the buildings are, let me show you high rises and buildings. Let me check. As you can see, this is the 3D version of a building. You can even see the cars and all these things. A little bit of height you can see. But if I press on again 2D, let me see what difference it makes. You can see the angle has tilted from this to like this. So as you can see here, if I again press on 3D, it will tilt a little bit down. Yeah, now you can see the height of this building a little bit, not completely, but a little bit. So friend, this is how you can go to 3D version. Once again, I say you, for example, by default, it will open in this way for driving purpose. This is the default version of your app. So this will also be not visible. So where you have to go, you simply have to go to this car option. Just click here, car option, and then you will be going to this part. So click on satellite, and in satellite, you have to go for now it will show you 3D, so you have to just go for 2D version. Once you go, it will tilt a little bit and show you the 3D maps of your area. So friend, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to share this video across various platforms, and do subscribe to this channel to get more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.